Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this Python interview questions videos series, the third question what we have, how to represent integer data type in Python. That means if you want to declare any integer data type in Python, how we can able to declare. See, we can represent this integer data type in Python totally in four ways. We can represent integer data type in Python in the following four ways. In how many ways we can represent? Four ways are there. The first one is we can represent the values in decimal. If you want to represent any constant value in decimal, that means integer value in decimal, there is no explicit representation. Directly, whatever value that you are giving, it comes under decimal representation only. If you want, I will take one example and I will show you the proof. Integer, I am taking a is equal to 10. If you print a, what output we are expecting? 10. It is need not to be represented explicitly as an integer. You can see the output what we are getting is a 10. Up to this, okay, sir. Second one is how to represent in octal representation. If you want to represent integer data in octal form, compulsory it must be prefixed with compulsory it must be prefixed with 0 small o or 0 capital O. So if any number is represented with 0 small o or 0 capital O, please make sure that it is nothing but what type of data? Octal type of data. So but anyway we can represent integer values in any form, but Python consider only in decimal format. Means what? Here the octal values will be converted into decimal. If you want, let us take one more example. Sir, b is equal to 0010 I am taking. If you print the value of b, what will happen? You won't get 10. That data will be converted into which format? Decimal format. How to convert the values into decimal format? If you want, just have a look once with the help of diagram I am explaining. See, the value of b which we have given is, so 0010, right? Just ignore these two because this is the representation. Take the numbers 10 and try to traverse from right to left. What is the first digit that we have? 0. 0 into, what is the base of octal? 8, right? 0 into 8 power 0, which will become 0. And 1 into 8 power 1. Like that, you need to take every bit and you have to multiply with power 8. What is the output that we get? You have to add these things. 8 is the result. So in short form, for your understanding purpose, 0 into 8 power 0 plus 1 into 8 power 1. So what output we will get? 0 plus 8. The output is 8. Like that we can represent it. If you want, I will run the code and I will show you what is the output that we are going to get. Are you seeing what is the output that we got? 8. This is the way how to represent octal values. How to represent hexadecimal values? If you want to represent hexadecimal values, it must be prefixed with, so 0 small x or 0 capital X. If any number is prefixed with 0 small x or 0 capital X, it is considered as what? Hexadecimal values. Same story you have to repeat even for hexadecimal. Okay. So if you are printing the value of C, 0 into any number you can take. Just for example sake, I am taking 10. What is the base of the hexadecimal? 16, right? 0 into 16 power 0. So 1 into 16 power 1. What output we will get? So like this we are going to get. Now I will run this program and see what output we are going to get. Like this we have. Next one, what is the last one? How to represent the data in binary format. We can represent these integer values even in the binary format. It must be prefixed with 0 small b or 0 capital B. Okay. You can see here D is equal to, I am taking 0B10. Same repetition we have to do here. But in the place of 16, what is the base of the binary number? 2, right? We have to take 2 power 0 and 1 into 2 power 1. What output we will get? 2 is the output. If you want, let us run the code and cross check. 2 is the output. This is nothing but how we can able to represent integer values in all these four forms. And one more point, if you see, here you can represent by using either small o or capital O, small x or capital X, small b or capital B. This is one of the area where Python is not case sensitive. Okay, this is one of the area where Python is not case sensitive. Okay, I think you got very clear clarity about this particular question. Thank you, friends.